strategy number 6 that, again, is only available in Helium 10, and let's go take it back to Cerebro. First thing is we are showing you all keyword ranks, okay? As you guys can see, when you look at search results on Amazon, how many pages show up? Only 7 pages actually show up despite other products being indexed, all right? This is 306 approximately organic positions and about 110 or so sponsored positions. Helium 10 Cerebro is the only reverse ASIN tool out there that shows you all 7 pages. Anything that's ranking at all, you are going to see in Cerebro. You try and use other tools, it might show you only page 1 or maybe page 1 and 2, maybe half of page 3. Helium 10 shows this all to you. This is, first of all, important because Amazon has search shuffle sometimes. So sometimes a product might go from page 1 or 2 just randomly for a few days to page 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7. Now, what happens if you're using a tool that's only checking pages 1 and 2 and it only checks maybe once a week? Well, now all of a sudden, what happened is you miss out on keywords. This happens actually a lot. You're going to miss out on keywords because you're only looking at the top 2 pages or top 1 page. With Helium 10, you don't have to worry about that. Did a page or did a keyword fall off from page 1 or 2? We're still going to capture it so that you can make sure you don't miss out on it. The other thing that Helium 10 is doing is we're checking, where is that product running sponsored header ads? Where is it running sponsored brand video ads? Where is it showing up in little widgets that Amazon has, like Amazon's Choice? Now, I'm not talking about the Amazon's Choice badge, but there's like a widget sometimes that comes up that says all sponsored in Amazon's Choice and other things like Trending Now. Helium 10 is showing all of that. So when you look in Cerebro at a certain product, again, you're seeing all 306 ranks. You're also seeing all sponsored brand video ads. Like this product here is not running any video ads. So, some people ask, well, why are there so many keywords that Cerebro has? They're not all relevant. Well, no, Cerebro is not a relevancy tool. It has a relevancy tool, like literally the only relevancy tool that's connected to Amazon, but it's showing you where a product is ranking in the top 306 at all times. Where is it showing in sponsored ads, the top 110 that no other tool is doing? Where is that product showing up in video ads? No other tool is showing you that. Where is that product showing up in sponsored brand header ads, headline ads? Where is it showing up in these other sponsored widgets? It's showing you all of that. This is the only tool that is giving you that depth of information because you might not always just want to see, hey, where's the top keywords for a product? Of course, Cerebro can do that, but maybe you're just like, hey, show me all the keywords where it's running sponsored brand video ads because maybe I want to target that keyword with a video ad. Where's the keywords where they're not showing up in sponsored brand headline ads? I'm going to reverse engineer it. All right. So again, Cerebro is the only tool that is checking all pages of Amazon search.